Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back once again to the live stream today with me, Enzo, and
I know you want to be me, but you know, life just don't work out like that.
Is this Pedro? Pedro?
This is our trading mascot.
Pedro
the pig.
Pedro the pig. So
Is
yeah,
this a live session or a comedy show? I don't know. I can't work out the
we're trying to integrate you know, a bit of live trading, a bit of comedy.
Yeah.
You know, so how has your week been, Enzo?
Actually, I had a bit of I got a bit of a cold last week. I think it might have actually been from you. But I've recovered and I'm feeling.
I think it was probably from this stream last week, right?
Yeah.
It was. I was pretty grim, wasn't I?
Mm.
Yeah, it was all. It was all pretty grim. So, anyway, guys, don't worry. You cannot catch it online. So, I'm sure there's other viruses out there that you can catch, but probably not the one that we had. So, hope everyone's health has been good. So, without further ado, I'm going to ask Enzo about how the trading has been going, because we've been rolling now for about 5 weeks, haven't we, Enzo?
Yeah, this is our 6th session.
Yep. So,
and we've got some good news, haven't we?
have we?
Yeah, as in from next week.
Right.
We're doing 2 sessions.
Oh, the joy! You can see my.
Pedro's happy about it.
Well, okay. Well, at least Pedro's happy. That's all. That's all we can hope for.
Yeah, we've. I think we've probably been a bit lucky. We've done 5 sessions. We've done 10 trades. We've had a 90% win rate. We've been averaging about a quarter of based on what we're risking per trade, which is 0.5%. We've been averaging about 0.25% per session.
Okay. I mean, that's all good stuff. It's all good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So let me just sort this situation out here. I hope it's this one. Yeah, it's that one. No, that's not your one, is it? Oh, that's C News. Bear with me, people. Probably should have done this all before we started, but where's the fun in being professional? There you go. There's your one. So yeah. So the account at the moment is £225 up. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, and 20 pence. You know.
Okay, don't forget that. Yeah.
Don't forget the 20 pence. Tom, could you do me a favour? Could you just move that camera a little bit? Because Enzo's decided to.
Which ones? Oh, the main one.
The main one. I think it needs to go that way. So it needs to fill a bit of it. No, the other way. That the other way. The other way. Keep going. Keep going. No, a bit more. Bit more. That's it. God, you're gonna make him seasick, Tom. Hey. Right, there you go. The camera is framed a bit better. So if you are
oh no, they can see what I'm gonna do behind.
If you are seeing behind us, this is a trading floor. We are here live from Bromley South, and behind us we have our scholarship students. They are readying themselves for the Fed decision tomorrow, which is going to be absolutely crazy, I'm sure. So that's one thing to look forward to tomorrow, guys, if you are trading, and also one to be very careful about trading in, because there could be some volatile movements. What do you think about the Fed decision tomorrow, Enzo?
No opinion, really.
No opinion. Well, okay, that was very useful. A lot of content for all our guys to really sink their teeth into.
You know, with all my effort on the live trading, I just have to focus on the now, right?
So what are you looking at now? Why don't you talk us through what you're doing there?
So I'm eyeing up a short at the moment on the Australia JPY.
Okay.
I think it may be coming to potential resistance level.
It's interesting. We seem to be using that pair quite a lot on this stream. Maybe this time is this exact 1 o'clock is quite good for that pair. Maybe maybe it's significant.
Looking at
maybe you guys out there, if you're building a strategy, you could build a 1 o'clock strategy around that pair.
Looking at 12 pip stop, ideally.
Okay, let me get your little screen up here. Here we go. Let's move that over. So that's what he's looking at here. So that's his iPad, and this is where he's checking out all his trades. And this is MetaTrader now, right? That you're going to be putting some.
This
Josh, where the boys gone?
Putting some positions into. Enzo has been trading for many years, so he's really quite good at reading the markets and has a good second nature for it. Hence, you'll see that he doesn't really use any indicators at all. He likes to keep his charts naked.
So I have a couple of things on it.
Some moving averages. Cool. Well, I know all about moving averages, so you know. We done a quiz recently, and one of the questions was to name an indicator, a trading indicator, and that was one of the indicators I chose as an answer. So. Cool, slow on here today, isn't it? Slow on here. So it looks like we got quite a few watchers at the moment. Probably all here for you, Enzo. I reckon it's a lot of your students. They're over on the red channel.
The red channel?
Yeah, yeah. Remember, we can't say the names of individual channels because TikTok apparently they demote you on your showing people your stream. So I don't know whether that's true or not. If anybody does know if that's true or not, I would definitely like an article on it. I have tried to Google it, and all sorts of weird stuff come up. So if you're over there on the red channel and you've got any questions, feel free to chat to us, or if you just want to say hello, we'll say hello back live. Put your shouts out. It's like a radio station, isn't it? And put your shouts out. Yeah, he's not listening to me. This is generally what he does, is ignore me anyway. So this is just like another normal day. So
okay, sorry about that, Russell. It's just because I'm trying to see if we can execute this trade. So yeah, we're looking at a short here on the Aussie yen.
Okay, let me just have a look at. Get that up there. So just to explain the screen to you guys, if you're looking on a vertical stream, his iPad would be up the top. Obviously, we're at the bottom right. Hello. And next to us would be the position screen. So that's basically MetaTrader right there, and that's showing you what positions we are taking. So at the moment, he has a sell stop for Aussie yen. So we're waiting for that to be filled. So I'm also hoping our troll comes back today, Enzo. He normally, well, yeah, he normally comes back every he comes back like every session that we do, and just makes like a really weird comment and then just leaves.
Okay.
So let me see if I can find him here. Maybe we should tag him, like. So no, he's not coming up in the list of the ones that we done the other day. Oh, it's a shame. Well, if you're out there, you know who you are. So feel free to come and give us your wonderful comments you normally do, because we're missing them. You know, we're missing the interaction from your trolling ways. Igjot was telling me a story about this woman who does who makes cakes, and what she does is she also has like a top troller. So she's decided what she does now is she just makes she makes the cakes and puts
Who's
his
making the cakes?
What?
Who's making the cakes?
Just a woman, like on TikTok or Instagram.
Okay,
her page is that she makes cakes, right?
Okay.
And she also has a troll that comes onto her lives and comes onto her posts and says things. So what she's decided to do now is she bakes a cake and she writes his name and all his comments on the cake. Okay. And that's like the premise of her stream now. So it's actually going really well for her. She's taken something negative and she's turned it into her favor. Thank you, H, for the follow. I'm hoping you're the H, the Grime Star, because that would be pretty cool if you were. But we'll take any follow. So if you're not H, the Grime Star, then we still do appreciate the follow.
So the Aussie yen trade has been filled.
So we have been filled on trade. Okay, cool. So all systems are go.
Yeah.
I'm starting to count my retirement fund. Yep. This is yeah. So there was I know before we've decided that what we was going to do is we were going to open and close all positions within the time frame of this stream, but we've been given it a bit of contemplation about actually leaving them running, some of them running if we see fit. We would not open any more outside of the stream, but yeah, I mean, you know, what are your guys' thoughts of that? Like, it is quite good to just have all the positions just within this 2-hour window, but we kind of are losing out on
larger gains sometimes. Yeah, with trends that we've got in on. I mean, we I think in one session we was in on gold at 484.
Yeah,
488, which is something we could have I think let run a bit.
Okay. So H, where are you from then? If you're not the Grime Star, tell us a little bit about yourself on the chat. I mean, you don't need to tell us your exact address. Probably not the best thing on TikTok. I do know that there are some very weird people out there on TikTok. Probably not yourself, unless you like to be weird, and then I'm guessing be weird, right? Are you trading at the moment, H? What's your game plan? It'd be good to know where you're at with your trading, or are you just interested in coming to watch two guys and their plastic pig? What else are you looking at now, Enzo?
I'm looking at a long on the NASDAQ.
A long on the NASDAQ?
Yeah. I'm always aware with some volatility coming in from retail. I think we've got retail sales, haven't we, at 1:30. But,
we can ask the boys. Boys, behind me, the voice of the scholars. Is there retail sales at 1 o'clock? Yes, there is. 1:30. So what's the beat and miss on that? What do you reckon?
How's your internet? Mine's a bit slow.
I don't know, we're streaming, so it must be alright, isn't it? Is this a bad tradesman blames their tools.
Yeah, maybe.
So what do you guys reckon is going to happen today on the on that news?
We'll have to wait and see. Our ranges are a beat would be 0.4. Well,
What's the average on the beat and miss?
0.27.
0.27. So if it's out of that 0.27 range,
Yep.
you would be entering a trade.
Maybe leave Aussie yen on and then take a look after the news to enter on some others. But,
Oh, we've got some very strange comment here. Everyone see my comment. It's very big. Chance for recovery lose. For loss recovery, message me on Telegram or telegram me from your bio. Well, thank you, Lisa, for coming in and hijacking our stream. If I had my phone here, I'd come straight to your Instagram to recover whatever losses. I mean, what sort of losses are we talking about, Lisa? I mean, are we talking about limbs or what sort of losses? I mean, if I'd lost a limb, would I call you for you to go and recover it from somewhere? What if I chopped a finger off and it accidentally fell down a drain? Would you drive down and get a little fishing hook and fish my finger out of the drain? Markets will go up. Don't miss it. I again say, don't miss it. It's in a flying mood. I mean, she sounds like a scholar, right?
Mm.
Market, I mean, that's straight out of a book, right? You could see that, you know, for one of the great traders of our times.
Yeah.
Yeah, what was that good? What was that book? Traders of Our Times, was it? Or Market Wizards?
Market Wizards.
Market Wizards. I could see you in Market Wizards, Lisa. Market will go up and don't miss it. I say again, don't miss it. It's in a flying mood. It's quite poetic, really, isn't it? What do you think, Enzo?
Yeah.
You're not into poetry today?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you, Lisa. We love the poetry. If you have any more poetic words for us, we will be more than happy to read them out. So we have a lot of classes here today, guys. So if I keep looking around, it's because there's students scurrying around everywhere. So what are they doing? The diplomas? Have we got interns as well? Interns and diplomas. Have you ever thought doing like an intern versus diploma, like fight to the death?
So it's some time for everything.
I think we should get that arranged and have it streamed. So who do you think would win, guys? Interns or diploma students? Put your bets down now, and then in a few weeks, if we get enough interest, we will pitch them against each other in the car park in a battle royale. We could call it Educate to Trade Smackdown.
Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm just mapping out this NASDAQ trade.
Yeah, you're never normally quiet, Enzo.
We do have to.
You know, you're normally the loudest person in the office. Hello, Bernice. How are you? Nice to see you here on the stream. Let's see if you're still. I don't even think you. I think you've gone. Hope you're having a good day. Why don't you tell us a bit about yourself and if you're trading and what you're trading and what you're thinking about the up and coming Fed decision. It should be a bit of a wild night tomorrow night. I mean, not for me because I'm going away, so it might be a wild night, but in a different sense. iHuman 13. You're not seeing anything else at the moment?
Yeah, I'm just mapping out the NASDAQ trade. So we're looking at an entry at 24.
Oh, hello. We actually have some comments here. Right, 1 second. Let's have a look at these comments. Right, sorry, other guys on other platforms. I've been neglecting you. So someone's asking you, Enzo. This is Giant Michella. Does that ring a bell to you? He's asked me to ask you, on what basis have you gone short on the USD yen?
I mean Aussie yen.
Aussie yen, USD. I don't know why I said USD.
Okay, I'll explain that in a moment.
And what was his strategy to go short? I wanted to understand.
Sure.
We all want to understand.
Okay.
I think Enzo's just got a crystal ball, and what he does is he gets messages from the aliens, don't you, Enzo? I think, or maybe it's the pig.
Yeah. What's the name of the person? Sorry.
Jayant, Jayant. Jayant, do you know him? Is he one of your students?
No.
Okay.
Jayant, one of the things I have certain price action patterns basically that I like to trade, and some of those are defined as pullbacks. So I'm looking for, as you can see, I'm looking for some evidence of a trend, and then a pullback against that trend, which we've got here, if you can see, or what we have potentially here, that is. And then also sometimes I like to play off certain levels, so I'll just identify what level I'm playing off here, because you can almost see like
maybe you could zoom in as well, because
you can always see like this double level here. Do you see where I'm holding that line?
Is that double top? Not really though, is it?
Loosely, but that the predominant structure here is a potential pullback structure on this downtrend. So that's it really. I'm sorry it doesn't really get more complicated than that. Basically, you know, we all define trends, don't we, as higher highs and higher lows. In uptrends, we define downtrends as lower lows and lower highs. In downtrends, higher highs, higher lows. In uptrends, lower lows, lower highs. In downtrends. So this could be a potential lower high on the Aussie yen, with also a kind of resistance level around the level I've identified here.
So you're just basically looking at pure price action.
Pretty much, yeah.
And then
the other trade we've mapped out is the NASDAQ. So if you look at the NASDAQ now, so you'll see how the NASDAQ has been on this 3 minute time frame that I'm looking to trade it on. As you know, obviously we have a very, very neat uptrend, and again this is possibly a potential pullback here, and so the line above is a buy stop with a stop below the lower highs, so potentially looking to get in on a higher low there on the NASDAQ if the NASDAQ moves up to 350. So they're both basically pullback structures. You know, people say, how do you know if a market's trending up? Okay, have a look, everyone. It's moving from the bottom left to the upper right.
That's your favourite joke.
It's not a joke. It's actually blood dead serious. It's funny, but that's what a trend is. It moves at a 30. You know, you'll get whatever 30 to 45 degree angles with markets breathing in and out. If you look at the S&P on a weekly time frame, it's been doing that since 2010 and beyond.
So last week you took a position on the FTSE.
That was a similar structure, not too dissimilar to the Aussie yen.
And you said that you was going to take a similar position on the NAS because they are closely related.
We didn't.
So, but you've decided not to do that today. So what?
No, the reason with the NASDAQ position, we never actually got filled.
Okay. So you're hoping NASDAQ today, but not the. No, you haven't looked at the FTSE.
I have actually today, but I didn't shortlist it. For me, the price action at this time didn't look that clear and clean to me.
Okay, fair enough. So when do you do? So you'd sit here before the stream for what, a few hours, like scouting everything that might show potential within this hour time frame. Couple of hours. Sorry.
Yeah, like here I made a short list of potential opportunities.
Thanks for the follow, Jackson. And out of curiosity, we appreciate that. Yeah, sorry, carry on.
Yeah, I know what I'm looking for. For me, my philosophy is it's not my job as a trader to predict the future. It's my job to play a predefined probability that fits with my approach. And that's what I encourage all traders to do.
Go with the flow.
Well, go with the flow that represents your system.
Like Bruce Lee, flow like water.
Yeah.
We're in Bromley South. We're a trading floor in Bromley South. Whereabouts are you based? Out of curiosity. Ha ha ha. Did you see what I done there? That's because that's his name. So, sorry, I got a funny look because of that. So, his name is Out of Curiosity. So, out of curiosity, I was asking where he's at. So, Jan, that answered your question. In a lengthy fashion, so
could be a bit of a volatility now with the retail sales.
He's so out of curiosity is from near Manchester.
Whereabouts?
Have you ever been to Manchester?
I used to live around there. Whereabouts?
Did you? Oh, whereabouts near Manchester? Enzo actually used to live there. Maybe used to be neighbours with him. Could you imagine how weird that would be?
I know.
Like, be a small world, right? So what are we looking at? It's a slow day today, isn't it? Is it?
Well, we'll see. NASDAQ.
Are we gonna be adding to a position today?
Well, we never know, do we? Let's see.
I just want to see you add to a position instead of taking profits.
It's a good mark of
backing yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, news is about to happen in 1 minute, guys. So I actually have to be a little bit quiet because they are trading it live behind me. They are fundamental traders, so they'll be concentrating now. If you look behind me, you will see fundamental trader in his natural environment, staring at a screen, poised over a button. Definitely not staring at me right now. Press your button, Tom. So what was spiking there, out of curiosity? What were you looking at that was spiking?
Nothing really.
No, I'm just speaking to the guy on the...
0.6% for retail sales month on month, 0.7x auto, 0.7x auto and gas. Waiting control group. CPI Canada, -0.1%.
No, they don't have...
core median 3.
They don't have any humour when it comes to news trading, because literally that's what they do all day. They'll just sit here and prep and wait for these brief moments to make money. So making jokes around that time is probably not the best for them to be getting on board with the laughing and stuff.
So just to recap there, with our revisions for retail sales, that's month on month, 0.6 expecting just 0.2. The price also been revised up a 10 to 0.6 from 0.5. Next auto,
We'll check in with them in a minute and we will see how they done. Trading live personal or prop funded firm. Well, they're at the moment they're trading our capital, but most people here at the trading offices are just trading their own personal capitals, or they're using prop firms. All the students are using like demo accounts before they go to prop firms. We actually have our own. We actually have our own prop firm here as well. So we actually like run a prop firm, which is emerging. So we're quite excited about that. It's starting to pick up a bit of momentum across the UK and across Africa as well, and across India. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff about that. We've been working on it for, well, I think it's been live for about 6 months, but we have been working on it for probably way over a year. The actual work that goes behind scenes is absolutely mental. But we have a good guy heading up the operation. He used to be sort of like an institutional trader, so he kind of knows everything. He spent 20 years as an institutional trader, never had a down year. He's actually done a kind of sort of like, I would say, a lesson on our YouTube. It was a live class that he was sort of like teaching some students and just showing them about his journey and what you really need to do to make it as a fundamental trader, and the psychology that you need, and the sheer discipline and focus that you need if you would want to go into that style of trading, which can be very brutal, but it can also be very rewarding. Right, how are we doing? Oh, what happened to the Aussie?
Still in it.
Are we? No, we're not.
Are we not?
It's gone.
Is it?
It's got stopped out.
No.
No?
No.
That's weird.
No.
Why is it not on here?
Well, that is strange, isn't it? We never
got stopped out. Trade has disappeared.
Never saw the price go there. Weird. Yeah, price.
It's probably the news. It probably just whipped it. And...
But there was, yeah, but there's no.
Well, where was your stop?
Oh, hold on, there we go. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
yeah, I was looking at the sell rate. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh well, we've managed to lose a trade. How cool!
Worked out for news, huh? All right.
Well, you called that out of curiosity. We got wicked out on that trade, so. But that's cool because losing is also a big part of the trading process. It could have gone the other way, and it could have.
It's important to accept losing as part of the trading.
Yeah, a lot of people don't trade whilst the news is on, I suppose, but
yeah,
I think that's probably especially important if you are using prop firms and you're not allowed to trade around news. So, but obviously, if you're trading your own capital, you can do what you want, and it can go either way, I suppose. We could have got a great jump to the upside. check out the other channels.
Canadian stock market sees 93% chance of a Bank of Canada cut on Wednesday, up from 87% prior to the CPI.
So someone asking here, probably a bit late now, on LinkedIn. Can you imagine we've actually got a message on LinkedIn? Wow, that's crazy. What time frame you're using? So generally, what time frames do you use, and what's your reasoning behind using those time frames, Enzo?
Yeah, I mean, for the nature of, say, today, we're using what I call micro time frames, so as low as a 1 minute, as high as a 5 minute.
Okay.
We're generally looking for day trades, intraday trades, but there is the potential they could turn into longer term trades. But generally, those time frames are looking for those shorter term opportunities.
But that's just simply because we're here and everything's kind of got to be executed.
In my trade, I use those time frames for my shorter term trades, and then I go up to higher time frames for longer term swing trades. Yeah, but today, for example, the Aussie yen, I think that was a 2 minute.
Yeah.
I'm currently on the NASDAQ. This one we're looking to get filled on is a 3 minute.
Okay.
Which could possibly get filled quite soon.
Well, we've got another hour until the open.
And I'd look to be taking gold now on a 2 minute as well. Long.
Is that today's price action on gold?
Yeah. What's the next one?
Of course. Flown up today, hasn't it, a bit?
And then risk wise, we're going to stick to a daily loss limit of 3. So if we lose 3 trades, that's us.
We can go home.
We can go.
Why don't you quickly lose 3 trades and we can go home?
Yeah. So,
I'm off tomorrow. That's it. This is my last day.
Are you going on holiday?
Yeah. Nowhere like massively abroad, just the UK, but
right. Cornwall.
No, we're just going to a hotel, really.
Okay.
Yeah, so just going to a hotel. So if you could lose those 3 trades, then that'd be quite handy. We can just go, right? Mind you, I've got the phone there. I could actually just take positions for you, so I could actually just lose them myself, right? Then I'll be like, oh, well, sorry, boss. Like, you lost him. We couldn't carry on the stream. Mind you, I probably won't be adding much to my retirement fund, will I? So this is our retirement fund, people. So just in case you were wondering. So if you do have any great tips, yeah, please let us know, because, you know, I'm definitely looking for early retirement. And especially you, Lisa Queen, I think your advice is probably the best advice that I've probably ever heard in trading as well. So should I read it out one more time for the viewers, Enzo?
I think we're in the NASDAQ now. So our NASDAQ traders field.
Oh, hang on.
And we're looking to go long gold as well.
So should I read that comment and account? You're like literally the worst co-host, Enzo.
Well, you know, how many? You want me to do a lot of things at the same time, man.
You could stick a broom up your ass and sweep the floor as well,
That's
right?
Terrible. We're gonna get censored.
Yeah. So a quote from the great Lisa Queen: "Market will go up. Don't miss it. Again, I say, don't miss it. It's in a flying mood."
Bullish, yeah. I'll give her
that. So guys, if you look through the comments, that's Lisa Queen. She's on here. I think she was begging for you lot to go and join her group, which is in her bio. She's probably too lazy to create her own content, but it's fine. We will give you a bit of support here, Lisa. As we do like to support all the other traders on the scene as well. So, especially as your words were so wise.
Okay, so we're long NASDAQ here.
Great. So, yeah, once again, if you didn't hear, Enzo, we are long on NASDAQ. So, that at the moment's not doing too well. So, I mean, it's win-win for me, because if it wins, that goes to my retirement fund, and if it loses, I'm one trade away from ending the stream and going home and starting my holiday early.
Get your towels.
I feel you know where they say, like, if you're going on holiday the next day, that really you're already on holiday even if you're at work. Maybe I should have bought some.
You're in the zone, are you?
Maybe I should have bought some cocktails for me to sip whilst I was drinking this. Yeah. You know, I could have sat here, pretended I was poolside. Yeah. Guys, we do have our own Telegram group. If you also want to join ours, as well as Lisa Queen's, we probably maybe have a few more. Probably have less great quotes as she made, but you know, we do a lot of market analysis on there, a lot of markups, a lot of trade ideas, a lot of psychology sessions on there. We're posting all our Zoom sessions and YouTube sessions we do almost every other day. So yes, that's great. It's completely free for you. We also run a copy trading program. I think this is actually going into the copy trading program as well, right?
Yeah, we've got a little fund we just launched on Vantage called E2T Talenta. So all these trades will copy into that.
I thought we was calling it calamari.
Like the squid.
Yeah. No. I think it's got a better ring to it. E2T calamari.
I've called that before.
Oh yeah, because your surname is Calamisi, is it? What's your surname?
Calamita.
Calamita.
Yeah.
But not calamari.
No.
Does that have does calamita have a meaning in Italian? Is it like?
It means it could mean like magnetic, I think.
Magnetic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like a magnetic thing.
Would you say you're a magnetic kind of guy?
I'd say so, yeah.
What, like a MRI machine?
Yeah.
Enzo is our trading psychologist here, so you know, if you guys are struggling with your trading psychology, feel free to post some questions and Enzo can give you a quick trading psychology session whilst he's scanning the markets.
Question is, when I need a psychologist, who do I go to?
Huh? Can you not just look in the mirror? Can you not self-psychologize?
Yeah.
Is that a word? Did I just make that up? Self-psychologize.
Self-psychologize, yeah.
No, I think even as actually as a counsellor and a psychologist, I think you're actually obliged to actually have a counsellor or a psychologist as well, aren't you? It's part of the any like active counsellor has to be in
Part of the
counselling as well.
Part of the duty of care.
I think so. Yeah, I think that's the situation that I've heard, because I know somebody who knows somebody who's in the business.
Yeah, there usually has to be some kind of supervision, doesn't there?
Right, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring one of our scholarship students on, and they're going to talk to you. Actually, they've all gone. Where have they all gone? They've all gone. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Amika, is it? Amika? How are you today? Come. No, come on. Yeah. This is Amika. She's going to come on and say hello and tell you how she did today. She's very shy, people. She's very shy. We've been trying to get her on. Come on, Amika. Come and sit down.
I'm not shy.
Come and sit down. Where are you going? No, you're going to talk to her.
I'm going to talk to her.
Yeah, for a minute, and I'll come back. Come on, sit down.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, there you go. In you go. There you go. Right, I'll be back in a second.
Well, welcome to the live trading on Amika.
What are you trading today?
We're currently long NASDAQ.
I'm also in the long.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh well, we might
That's
both be.
good.
Yeah,
That's
we're
good.
currently long Nasdaq. We got stopped out on Aussie yen when we.
How was the news trading? You did.
Well, I wasn't really intending to trade the news. I don't as such.
Okay.
But well, let's have a look and see what happened because it may have carried on going in that
No,
direction.
there is nothing much. I think it was all neutral. Yeah. Have you seen that?
I think it was that week there that got me.
Yeah, that's the only move. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a stop above the high.
You go check the USDJPY.
USDJPY.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was short.
So
I was short dollar yen before, but I got out before the news on that.
I just took that one.
Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah.
The one spike.
Yeah.
And I'm out of the game.
So maybe talk to the audience a little bit about what your experience of trading has been so far.
So far, it's a journey of learning. I have learned a lot of things. I'm new to financial markets, new to trading. I was all new.
How new are you? Like a year? A year?
Yeah.
Almost
a year now.
Okay, yeah.
So now I have many knowledge. Like about financial assets. I do Forex most of the time. I do Forex trading.
Okay.
So what I have knowledge is about trading is just a process of patience. You need to be patient. The other thing is we can improve ourselves in a lot of things.
Like in other, you mean it has impact on other areas of our
other
life?
areas of our life. Yeah, that's a true thing. You get
Has it
so
made you more
much
patient?
friction.
Well, you're already quite a patient person, aren't you? Really?
I wasn't.
Wasn't you? No.
I wasn't a.
So it's
Now I am.
okay.
Yeah, I can wait for an entry for a day.
Really?
Yeah, we'll wait for the perfect entry for a whole day, like 12 hours. I can wait for that. Before that, it wasn't like that.
You were more impulsive before.
More impulsive. Yeah, that's the main thing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, you want me to
No,
say something
you
more?
can stay.
That was a cute.
Guys, I'm there on the opposite side of the screen. Do you think Amamika should stay on the stream? Let me know.
No.
For your new
Thank you.
job.
Huh?
For your new job.
Yeah, it's good. I'm not that
You
shy.
have to say hello to people.
Hi everybody.
It's a slow day out there, I think. So,
Okay.
a slow day.
Almost 300 people on live,
Ah,
right?
well, that's the people
That's
that have
good.
already
That's good.
looked. We've only got 2 online now. So.
Okay.
Very
That's good.
quiet today.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you for inviting me. Over
Come on
to
then,
you.
I'll get back in.
Thank you.
Say bye to the pig. So that was Amika there. So guys, hope she dazzled you with her trading knowledge. And what were you guys talking about, Enzo?
She was just talking about her experience in trading, how long she's been, which is a year in.
Okay.
How trading has had an impact on other areas of her life as well. Made her more patient.
More patient. I should probably start trading then, right? I could probably do with learning a bit of patience, right?
Yes, doesn't harm. So,
how's our retirement fund coming on? What have you done since nothing pretty
we're
much.
still holding the NASDAQ position. We're about $5-6 away at the moment from a break even on that,
Okay.
and potentially looking for a move to the upside off this pullback.
Did I see that you had placed a gold position, but you?
Yeah, correct. I cancelled it because
Okay.
after the price action came down a lot lower than I would have liked to have seen.
Okay.
On a setup like that. You could take another look at it.
So what's it looking like to you, Enzo? The old gold situation.
Did have an order and I took it off because of the on the time frame I was on, it had come down quite a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of.
Think it was a good decision to take it off then?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes you are using a certain element of discretion in terms of what you're seeing with the price action. My rules are that I'm always allowed to take the setups that I've predefined, but I do have freedom on the relative opportunities that I take. So yeah, I just made a judgment call not to go long gold there. That was just mine.
Okay, we've got another question coming in now. Give me a second. TikTok Studio, I've got to place a puzzle piece just to say that we're still active. So I'm glad I can manage to place puzzle pieces, otherwise this stream would be cancelled. So there is a question here from another channel. Someone's asking, I am just starting with $100. Which instrument should I trade? And that was a great answer right there from Enzo. It was telepathic.
Well, with $100, you need to trade small. You're trading small, and you need to be trading very liquid assets. So like FX pairs, major US pairs,
right?
Maybe a stock index or gold.
Okay.
And just practice your trading on there. Risk a couple of dollars a trade, and don't make the mistake of some traders who just want to try and turn $100 into $1 million overnight. Learn the trading.
I mean, would you say the $100 might be better spent investing in a prop firm challenge or a prop firm?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
Yeah, but make sure you've got a method first. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean we have our own prop firm here, so which is instantly funded as well, so there's no challenges to do. So I think the minimum package that you could actually get into our prop firm for $20 and scale up at different stages. So that would buy you quite a few of those challenges. So my advice with $100 is probably just to go with some sort of prop firm so you can maximize your capital, but then obviously you have to deal with all the prop firm rules and regulations and stuff. But look, I'm a firm believer in some of these rules are actually quite good for traders, right? Yeah. It enforces risk.
Yeah, it can enforce very good habits if you go about it the right way.
And it's always something that you can, if you build something on solid foundations, it's there's always room for sort of like better movement later on, correct?
Well, in the early stages, yeah, you want to develop your skills and make sure you've got a system that you can trade. Forgive me sometimes if I'm stopping. It's just because I'm possibly mapping out a short on the pound Swiss franc as well now.
So hello to all the guys watching now on TikTok. Feel free to make some comments so we can have a bit of interaction and can answer some questions. No questions are too silly. We will try and answer anything. And our troll hasn't been back today, Enzo, so I'm kind of missing him. So if you're our troll and you're out there watching on a pseudo troll account, then please jump onto your normal account and start trolling us again, because we are missing you. You say you don't like us, but you seem to be on most of our streams, so
this will be our PCHF trade.
Should we check LinkedIn and see if we got any messages? No. Only that one message. LinkedIn is slow. Always slow with the LinkedIn. Do people use Facebook anymore?
Maybe not as much as they used to, right?
I mean, I know it's all owned by Meta, so it's all the same situation.
Okay, that's our Swiss franc trade mapped out now. So again, with this trade, the news spiked it up a lot, and looking for off the back of this pullback a move to the potential move to the downside. It's had quite a clean trend going down actually. If you look at it here, a potential pullback trade. With a fill at 107.88, and the stop just within that very long rejection wick. Usually I like to put the stop above those wicks, but it would make the risk reward a bit maybe asking too much on.
So I think, is this sushi? I was asking, the news coming out in Canada and USA, how will that affect the market?
Going to create a little bit of turbulence.
Which
isn't it sushi?
Which do you think this is the same one?
Yeah, no, it must be. Yeah, I would think so.
Which news are you talking about? We can find out.
We've got industrial production at 2:15, right?
Ah, okay. It's good news for the for England today, wasn't it? For the job reports this morning, wasn't it?
I wasn't following it.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good to have your support on that one.
That's all right.
Let me get the exact figures here. So I think we had job. I think you're right. I think the internet is a bit slow. Everything seems to be a little bit unresponsive today. Right, what are we? Tuesday. The unemployment rate.
Okay, I think our pound to Swiss franc trade has kicked in now as well.
Awesome.
Quite a bit of a spread on this, but
yeah, so the unemployment rate today was exactly as forecasted, so it's interesting to see. And what other news have we got coming out soon? 2:15. So that's not too far away. They're both USD, but they are yellow folder news. So, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to move the market. It depends what context that is. So she was asking about the CPI in Canada and retail sales in the US. So the CPI in Canada happened at 1:30, and we actually unfortunately got stopped out of a trade because of that, didn't we?
Well, partly. I mean, I'm not going to blame the news, but yeah, there was obviously that volatility we did.
I mean, it was a spike, so I mean, it was that, right?
It may very well be back up there. It could have gone beyond that.
So she's asking how she interprets the news into my trades. That is a very good question. So what you'd normally do, and what the guys do behind us here, is they would read the data from the Forex factory, and they have a special calculator that they put it all into. And what the calculator does is it calculates the average over the last 5, maybe 6 decisions. Then what we do is we look at the forecast and the actual, and we work out the averages, and then if it is above or average on the decision that comes in, then we deem that as tradable, and if it falls within average or below that average, then we leave it alone, because we say it's a not tradable event. So that's pretty much how it goes. Obviously there's a lot of other things to interpret as well on that. So yeah, just as he says, yeah, just like the pig said. Hello, Joe, how are you today? I'm glad you could join us here at this live trading podcast. We're here live from Bromley South. To my left is Enzo.
Yeah.
And I'm Russell, and this is Pedro.
Pedro the pig.
This is our trading mascot. In hindsight, I'm not sure. Maybe might not be the best mascot.
What's wrong with him?
Well, I don't know. Like, I just feel like. Do you feel like it might be ostracizing some communities and religions and stuff?
I don't think so.
No.
Yeah. Pound, Swiss franc.
Oh wow! Look, we got a troll. We know nothing about trading. Stop lying to people. Thank you very much for your warm comments. We're glad that you have tuned in to troll us.
He's probably right. A lot of times I do feel like the more you know, the less you do sometimes feel like you know nothing. But I suppose it's not. I don't think it's said in that spirit.
I think he's right. I think we've set up our whole company that's been here for 10 years.
Frank might have broken into a bit of open profit now.
Set up a company that's been here for 10 years, and we obviously lasted for 10 years. So he's probably right. We probably know absolutely nothing about trading.
I think we've always got to be willing to keep learning.
I think that's a good point.
So
the Swiss franc's up at the moment, and the NASDAQ is just running under. So exciting times.
Yeah. You don't mind if I have a little break now, Russell?
Try and find someone to come and.
We're going to leave these two trades on and.
Try and find somebody else who also doesn't know anything about trading, because we would hate to.
I'll try and find you a guest.
Yeah, make sure that they know absolutely nothing about trading as well.
Yeah.
Because it's always good to make sure that everyone's completely non-informed. Yeah, so as he goes and tries to find somebody else, you'll be stuck with me for a little bit. So I'll just tell you a little bit about who we are and what we do here. So we are a trading floor in Bromley South. We are providing sort of like diplomas, so that's level 5 diplomas, which you can come here and you can sit with other fellow students and you can learn different aspects of trading and financial investment. We're also very deep into the algo development and the quant scene at the moment, so we have like a whole department that is developing algos. We're running our own copy trading platform, so you guys can also get sort of like in on that if you wanted to invest in our copy trading platform. We have some free Telegram groups for you as well, so you can come and join those. They are in our bio. So that's kind of who we are and what we're doing here, and we're trying to create a good trading community of different ages, sexes and races here. So I am the head of social media and kind of internet marketing, so I'm also learning about trading as well, picking things up as I go along. I'm fundamentally not a trader, but Enzo, who has just left, has actually been trading for over 10 years, so He is a very seasoned trader and has traded large accounts before. What assets are we currently trading at the moment? Well, at the moment, we're in two trades. One is the NASDAQ and the other is the cable Swiss franc. So they are the ones that we are currently in. But Enzo will scan all of the assets to kind of find positions that we can take during this actual live stream, which is kind of what we try and do. We try and open a position whilst we're actually here within the time frame and closing within the time frame. We did actually lose a trade today, which is actually quite good, because our success rate was 90% up at the moment. So it was good to actually for you guys to actually see a loss and how to take it and how to take a well risk managed loss. We only ever risk $100 per trade. So Enzo, have you found anyone for me to talk to? Surely there must be
so shy, Russell.
another human in here.
Everyone's so shy. I'll come back soon, don't worry.
So I've just been left here on my own. So check out if there's any other questions. So we do have a big event coming up tomorrow evening, which is the Fed rate decision, and this is a dot plot decision as well. So this is going to be very interesting, I'm sure. Definitely tradable, probably not tradable at the exact time, but I think Chris, our head trainer here, done a complete breakdown on it yesterday. We'll be releasing that video for you tomorrow morning, guys, for you to get kind of like acclimatized with and make a plan. But we also did a live stream yesterday where he talks in depth about it as well, because there's also an option expiry coming up as well. So everything's aligned for it to be a little bit volatile tomorrow. So could be good. Thank you for the follow, Rose. We appreciate that.
As a heads up, that course passed, we will be getting US industrial production for August. Month on month, looking for negative 0.1% on a prior 0.1%, negative 0.1%. Manufacturing production, looking for negative 0.2% on a prior 0%. Capacity utilization, looking for 77.4% on a prior 77.5%.
Just talking it.
It's about order flow.
You just chat some breeze. Come on.
Breeze?
Yeah, come on, man.
I don't speak breeze. Listen, I went downstairs, they're all playing table tennis and none of them on the punch. Who's playing table? All of them are scholars. They're playing without a net as well. What's he done? He's left the screen. They're not on it. Throw some milk on it. Alright, I'll come back now. Come on, man. Alright, just leave me on my own. You want to come on the stream?
CNBC report that Oracle
Oh, well, Brad, look, Brad obviously tunes into the stream just as I'm trying to go off. I don't know, Brad. There's been a bit of a mutiny at the office. All the scholars have taken themselves downstairs to play table tennis. I shouted out the window to them. They're not coming up.
Yeah, we're too busy playing table tennis.
Oh, look, one of them has returned. I was considering throwing milk bottles at them, but I'm probably not sure that that's the best way to treat our scholarship students. What do you reckon, Enzo? Should I have thrown milk bottles at them? Empty milk bottles?
Maybe, yeah.
Do you think I would have got into trouble? Do you think there's some sort of HR implications from throwing empty milk bottles at... No? Okay. Well, you heard it here first, people. Enzo said it's okay to throw empty milk bottles at scholarship students. So.
Excuse me?
That's what he said.
But Enzo?
Oh, Tom, have you come for an interview?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is Tom, people. He's
I'm
one of our scholarship students. He currently hasn't got a face. There's his little head.
Hello.
Say hello.
All right, hello, people. Bye, people.
Yeah, so we are in the trade at the moment, Brad. It's doing well. Are you going to add to your trade? You're going to add?
The spread on the pound Swiss franc is very wide at the moment for a 1 minute time frame.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah. So we're like break even. Enzo said that if he loses 3 trades in a row, that we can end the stream early, and I can start my holiday. Didn't you, Enzo?
Yeah, off to Bermuda.
Yeah. Well, we have lost 1 trade today, Brad. So, but we're currently.
I can't hear Brad. Is he texting or what?
He's messaging on TikTok.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So that's our boss tuning in on TikTok to make sure that we're all hard at work, or is it hard at work or hardly working? What do you reckon, Enzo?
No, one of the two. We're still long, short pound Swiss franc. Are in some open profits now, and the NASDAQ, which could get very busy near the open.
That's coming up in about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Exciting times ahead. Are you feeling to hold the NASDAQ at the open, or are you gonna?
I'll see where it's at just prior. But yeah, my inclination is to just hold that.
Yeah, may as well.
Let it play out as it sees fit.
Worst ways, we could only lose 100, right?
Oh well, actually no, because with if you get if there's real high volatility and with slippage, it could be more. A stop loss is never. It's generally the case.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah, you understand.
Tom, you're saying it was a good trade I did.
It was a good trade.
On the CPI?
Dollar. On retail sales, yeah, I made 62.
Oh, you was on a pound dollar as well?
Pound dollar USDJPY, yeah.
Are you just copying us?
No, that was retail sales. 1 minute now. Don't look at me like that.
We've also got industrial production coming out, haven't we?
Really?
Yeah.
I think that's been and gone, isn't it?
No, 2:15.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's in 1 minute.
Yeah.
So where are these guys? You're not trading that, Tom?
They're playing table tennis.
Yeah,
Wow.
they're too occupied.
Wow, the life of a trader, eh? You know, come here, trade news, and you miss the news. You're just downstairs playing table tennis.
We've got to make sure to keep our morale up.
You could have done that after the news, Tom. What do you reckon, guys? Do you think that they should have been here for this news release, or do you think they deserve to go downstairs and play table tennis, or should we go down there live on this stream and set fire to the table tennis table?
Okay, can Can we not commit to arson here at the office, please?
That'd be great for the stream, wouldn't it? Setting fire to a table tennis table. I don't think it's ours though, is it? It's downstairs. Might get in trouble with them.
Yeah, they're going to replace it with a better one.
Massive reaction to that, really.
What?
Not a massive reaction to the industrial production news.
God, look at the pound. The pound Swissy's flying. It's going. We're gonna retire.
You're not retiring. Just to show you, I want to show you the difference with the spread. Look. So, see that?
What's this?
The spread. Right, see that? So,
industrial production lies down to
see the spread?
0.4%
Change.
from negative 0.1%.
Why is that?
Manufacturing production
Well, because there's a
lies
cost
down to negative 0.1%
to trading.
0%.
That
Capacity utilization.
Do you get charged commissions then on your spread betting, or is it all just done via spreads?
technically it's not classed as a commission,
Right.
but it's a hidden cost.
It's just built into the spreads.
Correct. So technically, you don't. Technically, there's a sense in which you pay it and you don't pay it. You pay it in a way that isn't explicit, because what I like to do is I like to factor the stock into the spread.
Okay.
So we came in here, for example, so
Yeah.
and then it had to come here to just break even.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Slow day on the live streams. Let's check out the other channels. No questions there. No questions there.
So the Houthi affiliated TV says that 12 Israeli strikes have targeted the Hadida stocks.
21.
Ay, 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 ay. Have you had any more arguments with Clive recently?
No, we've been getting on. Fine.
Yeah. Got a
robust dialogue, right?
Got a bit heated the other day. You know, I actually filmed that and put that on our Instagram story.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
What, without telling us?
Yeah, of course.
I'm sure that's some kind of invasion.
No, there's signs up, mate. As soon as you come in, you can see them. They're printed on the walls. They're written in white on the white walls.
Right.
You probably just didn't see them, right?
No.
Yeah, so Clive and Enzo have heated discussions that rupture throughout the trading floor.
Very rare though.
Well, I don't know. It's been increasingly more frequent. You know, it's like once a week now.
Is it?
Like an old married couple, you see. Thanks for the follow, G Mania. I wonder if you're still here. Are you still here? You are still here. So, why don't you just tell us a little bit about yourself? Are you trading? What are you trading? Are you a student of trading, or do you just enjoy watching two men and their pig? Two men and their pig. Was that used to be like There used to be a TV show, Two Men and Something. I can't remember what it is.
And a baby.
No, that was three men and a baby, wasn't
yeah.
it? Do you remember that?
With,
Tom Selleck, was it?
yeah.
God, that was showing our age, yeah. That is. How old are you now, Enzo?
47.
47. Same age as me.
You're not 47 yet, though. Next month.
I think so. I forgot my age. What year was you born?
Same year as you.
78. When's your birthday?
11th of January. Here they are, look.
Oh God, their return. Missed all the news. It's big news. Big news. You missed it. Huh? Well, you never know, will you? No, it's a surprise news. Trump come out on the squawk. Said he's cancelling all tariffs. Missed it.
I can't tell if you've gone. Didn't happen. That was easy.
You're good at table tennis, yeah?
No, he thinks he is. Only tells you.
Ah, yeah. So they had a little table tennis tournament outside. So let's get the news live in. Who won the table tennis? So
I smoked Kellen.
right. So you beat all of them
And I had half a bat.
with half a bat.
Yep.
Wow. And Finley does not look too happy with your.
No,
You know.
He threw the bat. Oh, would I have done that? I won. You tried to smash the ball at me after I won. Multiple times.
Okay. You know that everyone can see your.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I've got nothing to hide.
All right. I just thought you might be getting your emails up or something like that.
No. So,
Live Nation
God, it's a bit long time till 3 o'clock, isn't it?
that's what this is, though. Sometimes you're in positions. What can you do? You're not going to do somersaults, are you?
No, but it'd be good to have a bit of interaction. You know?
I think sometimes when you're trading, you know, I don't know if you might want to try it to actually trade and getting interactive discussions at the same time. But yeah, you need some guests.
Huh?
Some guests.
I need some guests, yeah. Oh, here you go. Here's Brad. Here's the boss returned from lunch.
Why don't you interview Brad? Do you want an interview?
Yeah, come on, you can jump on.
Come and talk, Brad.
Do you know, it's a slow one. It's a slow one. These lot are been playing table tennis, so.
yeah, but when we thought when I got down, we went in really late. For some reason, I was putting on all the way. I got it 5 seconds, and then Tom got in at 6 and 7. Yeah, and 6 and 7. And from the and then we were just like, Tom made money. But I think investor.com came out slow. So it already made money.
You said this before about that. So I think our NASDAQ trade is about to start to come back to even, which is quite cool. Thanks for the follow.
Yeah, we don't trade it, we don't get the stuff quick enough. So the investors like one is main, two speed, you don't get the speed on it, you don't want alpha, I don't invest it. I did dollar yen and
so before Bull market, it shot to here, and when these came up, he bought up here, they shot all the way down, he bought, and it went up to about here, and it went up.
That's why I say
Yeah, I want to come in for that part too.
But I'm here on my own, it's just me and my pig.
What do you want me to do? I've done my job, all the trades are on. What can I do?
Find me someone to talk to. Find me a human to talk to.
He did not do well today. He didn't buy 100%. For that.
So this is the harsh reality of trading.
Well, like they say, sometimes you sit on your hands and you wait. Or, you know, in my case, I don't even look at it.
That NASDAQ has just been flopping around, isn't it?
It's waiting for the
Waiting for the open.
more volatility at the open, I would imagine.
And we're definitely going to hold it at the open.
Yes, we are.
And if it starts to move, you're going to add to the trades.
I think if it breaks that top, where we may very well do. If it breaks that high. But who knows?
Then I'll be excited. That's going to be exciting. Wait.
We call that trading
That quality is shit.
What?
The quality is shit up close.
It's the screen.
Why are you sticking your head in the screen? Russell, do something. Bring some order.
He's got problems. Could get his dad. His dad's here.
Is he
My
where?
dad is not here. Mark Pilcher knows my dad.
I thought that was your dad.
No. Otherwise I'd be referring to him as dad. My dad does not do this. My dad is in reinsurance.
Reinsurance?
Insurance.
What's reinsurance?
So he insures insurance companies.
Interesting.
Very much.
So if you're an insurance company and you are looking for insurance,
Go for my father.
He won't hire you. I don't know if he does. I don't know who's in charge of it.
I should paint eyeballs on my eyelids,
Yeah.
and then when I shut my eyes, it'll look like I'm still awake, right?
Could do.
Could do this whole stream with my eyes closed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in a couple of positions. We are in a pound, Swiss franc.
Could be some turbulence now on our NASDAQ position with the US market opening at half 2.
Yeah, that's what, 2 minutes away. Do you think I should even? Do you think I should sit up for that, or do you think I should remain firmly slumped into my seat? What do you think, Enzo?
Stay relaxed.
Stay relaxed.
Get ready because it may very well stop us out at the open, or it could rally.
Oh, it's starting to move. Starting to
Or
move.
it could do both.
Starting to move in the wrong direction.
Pound position is carrying on to move down quite a bit.
So we are very seconds away from the US Open. Our NASDAQ position is not looking like it's going in the right direction. And our Swiss franc position seems to be hovering at about £70. So The next few moments will be crucial. Here we go. The open is upon us. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. That does not look good, does it? I might actually start sitting up. So a bit of volatility is kicking in now with the open. Our NASDAQ position is floating about minus minus 80. Oh, I think we're going to get stopped out on that. Oh no. We're on the edge.
On the precipice.
Of greatness or complete non-greatness.
It's all part of the...
It's all fun and games.
It's all part of it. I think one of the hardest things for traders is to have a positive view of losing. Well, you know, we take losses very badly, but it's part of the pathway. You know, you put your risk on, and your risk is there to the price you pay to find out whether your probability will play out.
I think our probability is about to not play out on the NASDAQ.
I think that's hit. Not hit.
Oh no, it's coming back the other way now.
Did we not hit it?
No, we're still in. We're still in it to win it.
Very strange. That happened to me yesterday as well. I was short.
It came a whisker away from being stopped out.
That stop was there. But yesterday I was short the Dow, and I had a stop at 80.
Yeah.
And it went to 79, and then
squeaky bumhole time.
Went to 79. And then it...
Squeaky bumhole time. Oh, the phone's blacking out. Let's get that back on. Oh, it's really floating up and down now, isn't it? Hello, Jack. Nice of you to... Well, it's gone now.
Just the pound Swiss franc will break the low. Can't do that.
Thanks for the likes, whoever sent us some random likes there. I'm liking the likes. I think this is it.
This is the big one.
Oh, he just got stopped out of the NAS.
Happy days.
That's two losses. One more loss and I can go home. I can start my holiday.
Which hotel are you going to?
There's just, I don't know. I probably shouldn't say because some of these weirdos might turn up there.
Yeah, what hotel are you going to stay in?
Yeah, Tom will turn up there. Huh? They haven't paid me enough to plug it, you see.
Wait. Where are you going? What country?
No, I'm not going out of the country.
Oh,
Staying
like in England?
Yeah.
What? Countryside?
Something like that, yeah.
Cotswolds?
Something like that, yeah.
Alright. What are you asking when you're off stream?
I still won't tell you, Tom.
Oh, for God's sake.
Just don't like you. I'm joking. I'd worry that you're going to turn up there.
What are you going to do? Turn up, say hello, and bug off.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
You do have a car, so you know.
I've already just turn up, say you smell, and go home.
So we're just in one trade now, people, which consists of the pound and the Swiss franc. That is currently £75 up, but we have lost 2 trades today, so
Happy days.
this has not been our. I mean, you know, it's good. It was going to happen, isn't it? We can't. There's 90% win rate is not really
Sustainable.
well, it would be, wouldn't it? Imagine.
I think
Imagine you can still lose at 90%.
you can. It's true.
You can still be losing money.
Yeah.
Like we've had traders here that are actually 90% win rate, but they're still losing money because they're not, you know, pitching their risk right.
Correct.
Which I always find quite amazing. How you can be doing so well and yet.
I think we get obsessed with winning. And
Yeah.
Really, it's about profitability.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well, I was telling some students today, like, they need to just concentrate on finding a reasonable strategy with maybe a 1 to 3. If you could hit 50% at 1 to 3.
oh, well, 50% at 1 to 3, you're a master, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said.
I mean, I'm happy with 30% at 1 to 3. But now we're looking to leave trades running a bit longer. So, I mean, for all we know, this pound Swiss trade could actually cover. Not that we should be that myopic, but one trade can cover, one winning trade can cover 3 losing trades.
Would you at least move the stop to
Not on this one, no. Not
break even?
I'll leave this for the rest of the afternoon, probably.
You wouldn't move it to break even now?
No,
Why not?
I'm not trading to break even. I'm trading to make money.
No, but it's not going to hurt you to move it to break even now, though, is it?
Well, it could, because it could go to break even and then absolutely plummet after.
Fair enough.
You didn't figure that, did you, huh? You didn't figure that, did you, Russell, huh? You're thinking about protecting what you've got. This is actually just going to break the low.
Oh, we're going to add to it.
It's going to break the low.
Add to it. Remember we said we was going to add to it. Come on, back yourself, Enzo.
Break the low.
Back yourself. Add everything. Go all in.
What time is it?
The whole 20k.
Oh, we're coming to the end of the session. Oh look, here's Trader Tom.
What?
Thank you.
We are.
That is moving now. I reckon we should add to that.
On one level, if it was my personal view on this is because it's
Look at it go. It's like a gazelle.
There's quite on a 1 minute time frame.
Yeah.
You can't see it, but there's a lot of spread on this.
Okay.
And I prefer doing it with a more liquid market, or if we were trading a higher.
I mean, that has shot up in the last in the last minute or so, isn't it? That's nearly doubled. See, Brad says it there. Pullback King should have added. Should have added, and that's from your boss.
Well, you know, you're all welcome to come and do the trading yourselves.
You got an Instagram message there? Have you? What notification? Where are you going?
Some water, if that's okay, Master.
Probably escape from you then, Russell.
Gonna leave me here again, all on my own.
Yeah, hold up.
All on my own.
Oh, hold up.
Be lonely.
Oh, go on.
Oh, we got Tom. Hello, Tom.
What's wrong with this chair, bro?
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing well, mate.
Brilliant. How has your week been unfolding here at Educate Trade?
Superb.
Okay, so let's mind you, we're only 2 days into it, so please don't play with that. I know you like to fiddle.
Yes.
You're a consistent fiddler.
I am.
Maybe
Very
put
much.
your hands on the
Let me
table.
just
there.
put my hands behind my back like I'm being getting arrested.
So talk me through what trades opportunities there were yesterday.
I can't remember what we did yesterday. I actually don't know what we did. Hold on.
Would you like me to look through the Forex?
Go to investing.com.
No.
Preferably investing.com.
Why? You can just look.
Shows more. Shows some of the events that
Yesterday we had no red folder events.
there were some red folders.
Retail sales.
No, we did retail sales today.
There was an unemployment, but these are from manufacturing index. Did you trade that one? Empire
No,
State
I actually
Manufacturing
did not.
Index.
No, we did.
ECB.
No, we didn't do that one. I think we did the 130.
Well, yesterday.
Yeah.
There's manufacturing sales. This is all Canada.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, you did that one. I actually remember that.
I think
now,
we did do Canadian.
You didn't do anything yesterday.
I remember. I think we did. I'm just trying to. Oh, calendars. I'm so blind.
But you all have got the Fed decision tomorrow night,
Yeah,
right?
we do.
How are you feeling about that? This is going to be a big one for you guys, right?
This is just gonna be as big as I think. Since
Bit
I
like-
wasn't in for Jackson Hole.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It's
I
just
wasn't
gonna
in
be-
for Jackson Hole, but Callan, one of my fellow traders, he made some good money off of it. I think he was up $200,
Well,
which was quite significant.
is that when he blew his account because he forgot that it was
I think this
a proper account and he couldn't trade news?
I don't know what happened with Callan, so I'll let him. I think I'll let him discuss that, so I won't say anything.
So is there any other news tomorrow, or are you just coming in late and
We're just purely coming in for the Fed rate cut, which could be huge depending on the.
So that's here tomorrow night,
Yeah, we're gonna be here from 3 o'clock.
because you've got the press conference as well. I should imagine there'll be quite a few
Yeah, that'll be just
movements there.
Yep.
I mean, you got the BOC rate statement tomorrow as well. Yeah,
What time is that?
that's at 2:45. That's Canada,
Oh,
Bank of Canada.
shocking. I probably would have missed that. I might just come out too then.
That's 2:45.
I might have to do that at some point. Well, obviously,
Core CPI for the euro. That's at 10.
that's
It's a huge day for news tomorrow.
It's fairly big, yeah. It is going to be a fairly.
I mean,
busy-
those aren't red folders, but you know, they still probably.
I
will.
mean, the other site that we use for our.
I mean, look, you've
for
got.
economic calendar is investing.com.
I mean, you could do a whole day here. Look, it's from 7 in the morning. You've got GDP,
Yeah,
CPI,
Yeah, things coming in to do with the
right, and then you
CPI.
could just maybe go home for a little while and then come back for the evening session.
Yeah, could do. Yeah. But they are thinking that they're going to be doing a rate cut by 25 basis points, so
Yes.
from 4.25 to 4. That's what's a lot of people are expecting. There's a website out there which you can go on to check the percentage. Can we look it up?
I can't because I'm not. We're only using Enzo's iPad. Maybe we can
No,
use-
on that computer. Oh wait.
Oh, well, yeah, but the audience can't see it. If we'd done
Okay.
it on this, the audience could see it.
Go on. Let's go into this.
Trump, in regards to city offence, says he does not know much about it.
you know, Enzo doesn't like anyone touching his iPad. He goes
really?
absolutely mad. Better not let him see you doing this.
So here we go. Here's the probabilities for tomorrow's Fed meeting. So 96% of those are thinking that there's going to be an actual cut.
Yep.
4% are thinking there's going to be an even catastrophic cut. Here comes Sir Enzo back. So hello. We're looking at the Fed watch.
Yeah.
What your search
We've also put in. We've also added to your trade.
We did not do that.
10
Otherwise, the
10K,
audience
yeah?
would probably tell us off.
Added 10k.
You know those trades today have all gone into the live funds as well. Most of them.
The Fed watch. The Fed watch is
I'm
based
lucky.
off votes.
Isn't based off votes.
Finished yet?
Data.
What a time.
Apparently, the Fed watch data. This chart you see is not based off votes.
It's not. It's based
Callan said it's based off of data.
Data, yes.
What data? I'm not too sure.
keep going down.
Unemployment, NFP, CPI,
What did I hear?
PMI. Or the regular.
Well, we had an absolutely awful CPI last.
Yeah, we did. Yeah,
last thingy.
last week.
Last week was it?
I think it was last week. Yeah.
You guys caught that, didn't you?
I think we did. I'm not too certain. Oh, did we? Yeah. So I don't know what else to say. Can you think of anything that we can discuss?
Oh, we got 15 minutes.
Besides, you literally want.
You work at a golf club, Tom.
Yeah, I do, mate.
So, but you don't play golf.
I do not play golf. My father does, which is quite bizarre. Let's have a look at the data change now. There has been another change, another update just now. So an additional percentage has gone up by 0.1.
Wow.
So whatever what's his name? Powell. Whatever Powell says tomorrow. His name's confusing. It's America. Confusing names. So whatever happens tomorrow can make or break a lot of our profits. So yeah.
Yeah, but you probably have some sort of
We have a rough
management scheme, right? Risk
yeah, we
management
do.
scheme.
We have. I don't know how many lots I'm gonna risk for the upcoming one. I recently risked one lot on the retail sales, and I think I made 62 USD.
Okay.
Which, for my personal, is one of my personal bests.
Brilliant.
Which I'm quite pleased about it. Obviously,
No, it's just good. You know, you've got to start
somewhere.
You've got to start somewhere.
But
as you're learning, I mean, we wouldn't say like, yeah, just bang in, 10 lots, because that'd be crazy, wouldn't it?
yeah, no. That's if you're.
You've got to manage your risk, and you've got to manage your expectation on what you're kind of gonna hope for with profits, especially when you're on a learning curve.
Let's have a look. No change yet. But yeah, so besides all of that, this week, the only busiest part of this week will just be tomorrow's Fed rate cut, which is at 7 p.m, 7:30 p.m. British summer time, which will be 4:30 Eastern Standard Time.
So how are you enjoying the whole scholarship program?
It's actually really insightful and informative, I guess you could say.
Cool. So
I have learned quite a lot with my tenure here.
Tenure.
Let's do professional English. Let's spell out the professional English, shall we?
Tenure means you're going to be here for 10 years.
No, it's not. Tenure means how long you've been. Let's say President of the United States his tenure is going to be 4 years. That's a tenure.
Okay.
That's basically how long you've been.
But you don't know how long you're going to be here, though, do you?
No idea until someone says go away.
The
Go away.
last 10 minutes.
All right, Tom. Go
All right,
away.
Yeah, let's go.
That was a great segue into me telling you to off. Don't worry about that. That's just a mic, Enzo. Don't need any of that. Yeah, so just in one position at the moment that was floating around at 140, and it's still floating around that level. It seemed like it was about to break some stuff, but what do you reckon, Enzo? Is this going to be the first time we're going to let a trade run off screen, or are we going to shut it down? And I mean, if we shut it down now, right, we've lost 2 and we've won 1.5, so we'd only be 1.5 trades down.
Half a trade down.
Half a trade down, sorry. What do you reckon?
1.5, isn't it?
How much more movement with your crystal ball can you see?
All is well that ends well.
You've closed it. Closed the trade.
Yes, I have.
You didn't see much more legs in it off screen.
I don't know. I don't. I told you I'm not a. I don't predict, but it's what it is. I think that we are keeping our heads above the what is it, the parapet.
We're not getting sniped.
Bottom line is that we want to keep our equity curve rising.
Cool.
Which is what we're still doing.
Right. Well, I reckon. Look, this is a good time to just end it, so I can just pack up and fuck off on holiday. Right. Right.
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Have a great holiday, Russell, because you've done a lot of great work here, and we appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
For everything that you do. Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Hope you've enjoyed this live trading session with Enzo. We'll be back again next week if I decide to return from holiday. If not, then a couple of weeks' time. And yeah. Have a good afternoon, and be careful tomorrow with the Fed decision at 7 o'clock if you're trading it. Okay, check out our socials. We will have a bit of advice on there for you guys to trade it. You could also join our free Telegram group where there'll be a lot of free advice on there as well. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye.